Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install PL2303 driver on Windows 11. Open any browser. Copy link from description and paste it. Click to download zip file. Open download folder and extract downloaded file. Open setup file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.